Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. This is QuisiTech at your service. We're super excited to dive deep into the fascinating world of iNfinix, and today we're focusing on a device that has truly made waves in the consumer electronics market, the iNfinix GT20 Pro 5G. This smartphone isn't just another device, it's a game changer, packed with cutting-edge features, sleek design, and impressive performance capabilities that appeal to tech lovers and everyday users alike. If you're one of the proud owners of this stellar smartphone, then you know how vital it is to keep your device in top shape to enjoy a seamless user experience. One of the crucial aspects of maintaining your iNfinix GT20 Pro 5G is understanding the ins and outs of LCD replacement, a topic that might seem daunting at first, but is essential when your display gets damaged or suffers from issues. In today's comprehensive guide, we're going to expand on everything you need to know about LCD replacement for your iNfinix GT20 Pro 5G. From understanding why the LCD might need replacing, to step-by-step procedures, tools required, safety precautions, and tips to ensure longevity. So, whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast, a DIY repair hobbyist, or someone encountering display issues for the first time, this video aims to equip you with all the knowledge you need. Let's dive right in. 1. Why might you need to replace the LCD on your iNfinix GT20 Pro 5G? Your device's LCD can encounter various issues that necessitate replacement. Common reasons include cracks and physical damage, dropping your phone, accidentally hitting it against hard surfaces, or pressure from heavy objects can crack or shatter the LCD. Even minor cracks can impair touch sensitivity and display clarity. Display bleeding or dead pixels. Over time, you might notice discolorations, dead pixels, or screen bleeding, which diminishes visual quality. Unresponsive touch screen. If the touch function becomes unresponsive or erratic, it could be an LCD or digitizer problem. Water or liquid damage. Exposure to moisture can damage internal components, leading to display malfunction. Burn-in or flickering. Persistent flickering or ghost images can also be signs that the LCD is failing. 2. Assessing the damage. Before jumping into repairs, it's important to diagnose whether the LCD truly needs replacing. Check for cracks, discoloration, or dead pixels. Test touch responsiveness. Observe any flickering or display anomalies. Confirm that the device powers on properly. If these issues are present and persistent, then LCD replacement is likely necessary. Preparing for the LCD replacement. Tools and materials needed. Precision screwdriver set, including P2, P5, or Torx bits. Plastic opening tools and spudgers. Suction cup. Heat gun or hair dryer. Anti-static wrist strap. Replacement LCD assembly compatible with iNfinix GT20 Pro 5G. Adhesive strips or glue if required. Microfiber cloth and cleaning solution. Safety precautions. Power off the device completely before starting. Work in a clean, dust-free environment. Use anti-static wrist straps to prevent static damage. Handle components carefully to avoid further damage. Step-by-step guide to replacing the LCD. Note: this is a general overview. For detailed visuals, always refer to specific repair manuals or video tutorials. Step 1. Remove SIM card tray. Use a SIM ejector tool to remove the SIM card tray. Step 2. Heat the device edges. Use a heat gun or hair dryer to gently heat the edges of the device. This softens the adhesive holding the screen. Detach the screen. Once the adhesive is loosened, carefully lift the display assembly. Be cautious of internal cables connecting the display to the motherboard. Step 3. Remove the damaged LCD. Once disconnected, remove any remaining adhesive or clips. Prepare the new LCD assembly. Step 4. Connect the new LCD. Connect the display cable securely. Test the new LCD before sealing the device completely. Reassemble the device. Tips for a successful LCD replacement. Work patiently. Rushing can lead to further damage. Keep track of screws and small parts. Use containers or magnetic mats. Test before sealing. Always verify the display functions correctly before fully sealing the device. Use quality replacement parts. Cheap or incompatible screens can cause issues down the line. consider professional help. If you're unsure or uncomfortable with DIY repairs, consult a certified technician. Post-repair care. Avoid exposing your device to extreme temperatures. Use a screen protector to prevent future damage. Handle your device with care to prolong the lifespan of the new LCD. Final thoughts. Replacing the LCD on your iNfinix GT20 Pro 5G may seem daunting at first glance, but with patience, the right tools, and proper guidance, it's a manageable task. Regular maintenance and prompt repairs can significantly extend your device's lifespan and ensure you enjoy optimal performance. We hope this detailed guide has equipped you with the knowledge needed for a successful LCD replacement. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights and repair tutorials. Thanks for watching QuisiTech, your go-to source for all things tech. Stay tuned for more exciting content and see you in the next video.